Well, we did it.
Mr. Blue.
Yeah,
I
guess we did stop them all.
Please believe me.
well, everyone except for Mecha Kong. He's still out there.
Mr. Blue.
But we'll find him eventually.
Don't be angry.
I don't know. At this point, I think it would be better if we just never saw him again.
Know that you're sore and sick and sad for some reason. So I'll leave
So,
you with a
what now?
smile, kiss you on the cheek, and you will call it treason. Well, that's the way it goes some days. A fever comes at you without a warning, and I can see it in your face. You've been waiting to break since you woke up this morning. Mr. Blue, don't hold your head so low that you can't see the sky. Mr. Blue, it ain't so long since you were flying.